Dan the Houseman coming to you live from McHenry, Illinois, home of the Better Homes and Gardens, Star Homes Finders Real Estate. And I want to tell you something here, folks. It may be summertime right now as I'm recording this. You can tell me, in the comments section when you're seeing it. But the important thing is I hope you see it before winter. And here's why. If you do not remove your garden hose from your outdoor faucet, it doesn't matter that it says it's frost-proof, because guess what? It is not frost-proof if you leave the hose on. It is very important that you remove the hose because from this handle, there's a rod that goes up inside of this faucet and shuts off back here. Now, in Illinois, Chicagoland area, we can sometimes get temperatures well below zero, and freezing, folks, that starts at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. It doesn't really even feel all that cold to us Illinoisans, who are used to it being cold. It's a cold state, what can I tell you? Outdoor hose faucets must be removed to let the water come out of this faucet, and therefore leaving it empty. Nothing will freeze if it's empty. But if you leave that hose attached, that water is trapped in there, and water that freezes expands as it becomes ice. It bursts that pipe, and you get water shooting out of it when you're outside the next spring and you're turning on that faucet and you're going, I wonder why I got low water pressure. Gee, I think this thing may be broken. Meantime, you're flooding your basement with water, okay? Every second that you have that faucet on, it's spewing water on the inside of the house. And you may not be aware of it unless someone screams to you, hey, Dad, what are you doing? We're flooding, okay? So the way to prevent that and prevent spending hundreds of dollars getting a new one put in and paying for the damage you caused is to make absolutely positively sure that all hoses have been removed from the faucet, and my suggestion is stored in the garage so someone else doesn't hook it up and allow you to freeze and you don't even know it. Have a good day. Leave comments, hit like button, and subscribe. Thank you.